Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to my virtual classroom. How are you today? Good? That's great. So I'm so excited this week to get started with our new activities. The first activity that we have for today is called Gumball graphing. And graphing can be fun because you can see the things that you have collected. You can see them on a piece of paper. You can figure out the differences in them. So if you were collecting rocks and you have all these rocks with you from outside and you bring them inside, and then while you're playing with your rocks or you're looking at your rocks, you notice that some of your rocks are different colors. So what graphing does is it allows you to take those different color rocks that you've noticed and you put them on paper to whereas you can see how many colors of each rock that you have. So to explain all of that and to make it make a little more sense to you, we are going to do gumball graphing. And so the first thing you'll need is a little cup like this or bowl. Inside of my bowl, I created paper ball gumdrops and just any number you want to create. I did some yellow, I did some green, and I also did some red ones. And in my bowl, I am now going to shake them. And I'm not going to peek. I am just going to take one out and put it on my graphing paper. And now the next thing you'll need is a graph. So what I have here is called a graph, and I use the colors of my three gumballs, three types of gumballs, and they're at the bottom as you can see. And then on the side here I have numbers. So these numbers are for every time I pull a gumball out, I'm going to color in that number on the graphing paper. Okay? Does that make sense? If it doesn't, it's okay. I'm going to show you what I mean. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. Here we go. I'm shaking it up. What color do you think I'm going to pull? Will it be red, yellow, or green? What color gumball am I going to pull? Let's see. Can you tell me what color this is? Yellow, that's right. So I pulled one yellow gumball. So I'm then going to take my chart and I'm going to color in that space that says 1 because I pulled one yellow gumball out. So I'm going to color it in. Color it in just like this. You see that? Okay. And then I'm going to shake it again. And boys and girls, if you're playing by yourself, you can just keep going. But if you're playing with someone else, it's their turn to shake the cup or bowl you're using. And then you're going to pick out a gumball without peeking. Here is the next one. Another yellow one. So I'm going to take it out the bowl. I'm going to use my graph. And I'm going to color in the next yellow box right here. So we're just going to take a peek at our graph. How many yellow ones have I pulled so far? 1, 2. That's correct. Have I pulled any green ones yet? Have I pulled any red gumballs yet? Alright, boys and girls, let's keep going. Red. I have a red gumball. I'm going to take my graphing paper and I'm going to color in the red. See that? Colored because I took out one red gumball. No peeking. Nope. Another red. I'm going to graph my red. And looking at my graph now, boys and girls, look. What do you notice? What's the same? Right, the red and the yellow. We now have poured 2 red gumballs and 2 yellow gumballs. Have we poured any green? No. Well, let's keep going. Red. Uh-oh, no peeking. Green. We got a green one. We have a green gumball. Yellow. And boys and girls, you're just going to keep doing this until you have all the gumballs out of your bowl. Green. I think I got a few left, guys. Green. Yellow. And yellow. Last one, red. All right, boys and girls, look what we have. So if you look on your graph, and look with me, we have 4 red, 5 yellow gumdrops, and 3 green gumdrops. So looking at your graph, let's ask some questions. What our first question should be, which gumball did I have more of? Which gumball did I have more? Okay, if you said yellow, you will be correct. I do have more yellow gumballs because the yellow gumballs I had 5 of. So which gumball do I have the least of? That means when I say least, that means I don't have as many of them. Look at our graph. We know yellow, I have the most of them. If you said green, you would be correct again. The green gumball is the one that I have the least of because I only have 3 of them. All right, boys and girls, so this is our gumball graph for today, and I had so much fun doing this video for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me through email, to ask your parents if they can contact me about any of the activities that I'll be doing this week. Again, this is the gumball graphing activity. I hope you learned something new. I hope you start to graph if you haven't, and I hope you continue to graph your things if you haven't yet. I hope this inspired you to want to graph. And I mean, I created these gumballs, boys and girls, but you can use anything. I mean, anything that you enjoy to have. and you like you like a lot of them. So again, early in this video I used the rock example, but if you don't like to collect rocks, you can do your baby dolls, or for boys you can do the number of cars you have and what color are those cars, and you can craft them. Anything that you have multiples of, lots of, just take a piece of paper, write your numbers down with the help of your parents. Use the different colors at the bottom so you'll know exactly what you're looking for when you're grafting, and it should be fun and exciting like it was for me today. As always, boys and girls, I miss you, and we're all in this together. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.